Have you ever noticed how we're always waiting for something big to make us happy? A bigger house, a better job, more free time, more money. We tell ourselves, I'll finally relax when life slows down. But life doesn't always slow down. Sometimes the happiest moments are the smallest ones. Today, it was just two tiny crochet cherries in my hands, a little bit of yarn, a crochet hook, a few simple stitches, nothing expensive, nothing complicated. Yet somehow, watching these tiny cherries slowly come to life made the whole day feel lighter. That's what I love about crochet. It teaches us something life often forgets to teach. Beautiful things aren't made all at once. They're made one stitch, one loop, one patient moment at a time. And maybe our lives are exactly the same. We don't become happier overnight. We create happiness, little by little, day by day. Every small project reminds us that progress doesn't have to be loud. Sometimes progress fits in the palm of your hand. Maybe someone will hang this little cherry on their keys. Maybe it'll become a gift. Maybe it'll simply make someone smile every time they see it. And honestly, that's enough. If this tiny project can bring even a little joy to someone's day, then every stitch was worth making. So grab your yarn, slow down for a little while, and let's make something beautiful together.